bars, leaks, transmission repair. It 4-pack is designed for high-mileage automatic transmissions that are starting to show their age with rough or delayed shifts. The formula helps calm down shudder, chatter, and whining noises while also cutting down on internal friction to make the transmission feel smoother and more consistent. By stabilizing the transmission fluid and helping it stay in its ideal working range, it can contribute to better temperature control under everyday driving and light towing. Many drivers use it as a preventive measure when topping off or changing fluid, since it can condition seals and help slow or stop small fluid leaks before they become serious. Because it is compatible with most conventional automatic transmission fluids, it is easy to add during routine maintenance without complicated procedures or special tools. The 4-bottle package is convenient for households or small shops that maintain several older vehicles and want an affordable way to delay or avoid major transmission work.